The legalization of marijuana for both medical and recreational use is happening in states across the nation, and these changes may be affecting the way teenagers think about marijuana as well as other harmful substances. So how do we make sure our kids are making the right choices about drugs and alcohol? Well, sharing more is Rosecrance's Dr. Thomas Wright, Chief Medical Officer and leading teen addictionologist. Dr. Wright, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
So you recently conducted research about teens' views about substance use. What'd you find?
Our research showed that teenagers are just as worried as adults are about marijuana use and the legalization. They actually think that increased legalization will cause increased use among teenagers. And we worry about that especially because we know with marijuana use, oftentimes what follows that is drugs use that's a more severe nature, even like heroin. We also know that marijuana use can cause a lot of problems with the developing teen brain, including structural or functional problems, hormone imbalance, and even some new research showing it can cause some heart problems with it. The bottom line that we think at Rosecrance is that any substance abuse is going to be harmful to the teenage brain, especially since it's developing.
Yeah, so how can parents make sure their kids are making the right choices when it comes to substance use?
Well, I think that's a good question. I think first of all, parents need to realize that they still need to be actively involved with parenting in their teenager's life. Even if the teenagers sometimes say that that's not what they want, teenagers do need to continue to be parented a great deal. So a parent needs to be active in their activities, talk to their teenagers about drugs, be aware of what's happening with their friends, look for changes that are going on in the teenager's sort of life. Bottom line is, with the parents too, what they need to realize is they're still responsible for keeping their kids safe and getting them help if they do use drugs.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Wright. For more information, just head over to our website and click on the Daily Links tab.